Click on the link below to get price. The Sony a6700 mirrorless camera is an exceptional choice for both budding photographers and seasoned professionals. With its sleek design and impressive features, this camera stands out in the crowded market of mirrorless options. The 16 to 50mm lens included in the kit provides versatility for various shooting scenarios, from wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits, making it an ideal all-rounder for any photography enthusiast. One of the most remarkable features of the a6700 is its 26MP APS-C sensor, which captures stunning detail and vibrant colors. The low-light performance is impressive, allowing for clear images even in dim settings, thanks to its ISO range that extends up to 32,000. The autofocus system is top-notch as well, featuring real-time tracking and eye autofocus for both humans and animals. This makes it a fantastic option for capturing fast-moving subjects or candid moments without missing a beat. The camera's build quality is robust yet lightweight, making it ideal for travel and street photography. The customizable controls and intuitive menu system allow for a seamless shooting experience, enabling you to access settings quickly, which can be crucial when chasing the perfect shot. Additionally, the tilting touchscreen is responsive and makes framing your shots easier from various angles. Included in the package is a 128GB extreme speed memory card, which is a generous addition, providing ample storage for high-resolution images and 4K video footage. The card's fast write speeds ensure that you won't miss the action while waiting for the camera to save your files. Overall, the Sony a6700 with the 16 to 50mm lens and memory card is an outstanding investment for anyone serious about photography. It combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it accessible to novices while still satisfying the needs of experienced users. Whether you're shooting stills or video, the a6700 delivers excellent performance in a compact form factor, making it a worthy companion for all your photographic adventures.